Crude oil continued to trade bullish, hit the highs at 63.2. If you recall, I have mentioned in both the updates yesterday and day before yesterday, 61.5, 61.8 is the zone you should watch out for. What a good recovery it is shown here. While it is natural gas, which is traded in a very narrow range, and yes, on the downside, 2.8, 2.82 is still offered at a very good support. What to expect today from oil and gas? Are we looking forward for this recovery to continue? Are we looking forward to a breakout beyond 64 in oil prices? And yes, the natural gas storage data today might add on to the volatility, which direction it's going to take. We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates for crude oil and gas. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. First, oil on the hourly chart. See, it has formed a very strong support here, and this is what we had discussed. That also, first is double bottom, and the second is the support it has created at 61.8, 61.5, and then the next was the squeeze here. See, breaking past the squeeze, we have seen a good rise. That is what we had expected. Now it has come towards the next crucial zone. See, a move beyond 63 now, and this is the zone it has to stay above 63.4, 63.6 next, and 64 the ultimate. Any move beyond 64, you have to just stay bullish. See, another way to look at it, what we had discussed, I'll show you though on the larger time frames, bigger time frames. But when you see it has formed a good bottom here, it has to either break this bottom in order to confirm the next direction. Else, what's happening? It is waiting for a good sharp rise here. Let's wait for it to stay beyond 64. Now let's focus on the near time frames. Moving averages crossed over, trading bullish, and see this is how it is trading. Higher lows and higher highs are seen. Either it trades below now 62.8, 62.6 zone, and then 62.2, 62 zone. These are going to remain the critical support here. Other way to look at it is, see, the drop is sharp, the retracement is bit gradual, and hence on the upside it is getting difficult for oil to break here. But remember, whenever it gives you a breakout beyond 64, there is no looking back. It is going to rally strong. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still rising, it is retrace sharp. The RSI is also trading with moderate bullishness here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts also, the crossover in the moving average is a very good sign for the bulls. Next thing is the support it is created now at 62.8. Thus, I'll say the important zone today is towards 62.8, 62.4 on the downside, and this is going to play a major role today, because once it slides below 62.8, we can expect a down pull here. But right now, I'll say it is not showing such weakness, and since delivering lower highs and a flat bottom, it is delivering a breakout which suggests that soon it might move beyond 63.4, 63.6, or in fact 64 levels here. Stochastic trying to cool down a bit. The MACD crossed over, trading bullish. The RSI is also showing a bit of bullishness here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Yes, lower highs, flat bottom, trying to deliver a breakout. Let us stay now beyond 63.25 levels. If you see oil trading beyond 63 to 3.25, expected to move towards 63.5, 63.6, and then 64. Yes, the rise might be a stronger one. You have to focus here. Moving averages have started to converge. Stochastic getting overbought. The MACD also has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness, and the RSI is also showing a bit of rise. On the 4 hour chart, see here also you can see now a very good support is getting created at 62.8. With that is now oil prices are willing to trade higher. Also look at the support it is created here at 61.8 and then 61.5 zone. This is the most strongest support, and with that is support, now prices are trying to bounce back, trying to rise. And see also it is coming out of the squeeze, so possibly it might continue with this momentum today as well. We have to watch out. Moving averages have started to converge, supportive sign for bullishness. The stochastic getting overbought, MACD also rising, and the RSI is rising as well. So signs are still very much encouraging and supportive for further bullishness. Look at the daily chart. See, after the drop, what we had seen, we have seen a retracement. Then the next lows, it is trying to retrace. It is possible that oil might try to create another moderate bearish channel like this, and a move beyond 70 will only confirm a complete reversal in the near term. What's happening today? Now look, focus on the current time frame. See here, sharp drop, it is consolidated, waiting for a breakout here. What has happened yesterday? See, it was delivering lower highs, it was delivering lower lows, it has come out of it. So once it takes a direction today, possibly we are going to see oil prices again entering towards 65, 66 zone. You have to watch out here. Stochastic rising, MACD hitting the bottom, it is on the verge of a crossover, and the RSI is also trying to show moderate bullishness. So now time for me to give you the trading levels for the day, and before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. 34th batch starts 1st of September. Only limited seats are available. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking for a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With that, first let's talk about the levels to buy. You can buy here at 63.25, expect 63.5, 63.6 as the first target zone, first bigger hurdle, and the strongest one at 64. Any move beyond 64, you have to just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 65.1 and 66 very very soon, if not today. Yes, if not today, we can see these levels very soon here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 62.75, expect 62.5, 62.4 as the first support zone. And in fact, till 61.8 is not taken, you have to 61.8 is not taken, you have to just put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. 62.2 is a good support, 62 is a good support, 61.8 is a good support, and then the ultimate one at 61.5. Now any drop below 61.5 is the confirmation of greater correction in making, and then you can expect 60. Below 60 it is going to deliver massive bearishness. I'm not expecting this, at least because things are getting oversold, and hence recovery might continue here today. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas traded range bound here, staying in the zone, failing to either break on the upside or on the down. Such a range bound move here, it has failed to yet break below the critical support at 2.8, 2.78, and on the upside 2.8586, offering it a very very good resistance. So now see, this is a squeeze here, it has to come out of this squeeze. We have to wait for a breakout. Again, the same levels what we had seen yesterday, 2.8586 is the only level beyond which we can initiate a buy. Stochastic plays comfortably. The MACD has retraced. See, without any significant move, the MACD has retraced from the bottom. This is the beauty of charts. RSI comfortably placed here. Look at 2 hour charts. What it has done, it has waited for the moving averages to come down, and thus it is possible that it can give you a breakdown here. Because see, uh, if you look at the momentum or movement in net gas here, 3.2 is the ultimate resistance, and since then you can see uh, every time it is dropped, it is waited for the 20 period to come down. Now again, it is waited here. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Remember, any drop below 2.8, 2.78 is a sign of greater downtrend here, while if it breaks out beyond 2.86 and 2.9, that's a reversal. Because see, we have seen a good consolidation, it can try to move towards 3 again. Possibility is there. Stochastic rising, the MACD, see, it has also crossed over, delivering wave here. Now looking upwards, supportive of a rise. RSI position and placed comfortably. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts here, consolidation is going on, waiting for a breakout. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 2.8586, which will confirm further bullishness. Moving average is trading with divergence here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish, waiting for a crossover here, and the RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see, notice the move here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. The bearishness getting diminished, but yet it is not leaving the bearish zone. Yes, it is still struggling to break on the upside. For this to confirm a reversal, we have to wait for 2.8, 8586, 2.9, and then $3 zone to be taken on the daily 4 hour charts here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also bearish here, waiting for it to cross over. Remember, this is delivering good wave here, and thus a crossover here may lead to a breakout move. RSI flat. Coming to day, on the daily charts, the key observation here is the resistance it has created at 3.2, and since creating a stronger resistance at 3.2, prices are consistently delivering lower highs, lower lows, trading in this bearish channel. Now, if you focus on yesterday's move, we have seen a slight swing right from the lows at 2.8. Now, remember today, any drop below 2.8, 2.78 is the confirmation of a greater down move. See, a drop below this zone should take it towards 2.72 and 2.6 levels, the next target zone. Right now, I can see, remember, after every drop, it tries to retrace, and look at the drop here, it is shown. So, possibility of a retracement can be, is there, but I'll say it is yet not a confirmation of a complete reversal. Any move beyond 3 is the only confirmation of a reversal here. See, the stochastic bearish and MACD is almost flattened here. RSI is flat. So, considering this, what you can do is you can buy at 2.85, 2.86 zone, and then expect it to move towards 2.9. Once it trades beyond 2.9, expect 2.93, 2.97, and then 3. Any move beyond 3 is a confirmation of bullishness, where the gas is going to head towards 3.01, 3.05, 3.1, and 3.2. Chances for such a rise appears very, very less. However, these are markets, this is natural gas. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.8, expect 2.78. If this is taken, stay bearish for 2.74, 2.72. If this is also taken, 2.66 next, and then 2.6. Remember, 2.6 is the level which you would like to achieve staying below 2.8, 2.78 zone. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates for that as well. Thank you.